Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to show you the May-June Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life comes out every other month. It's geared for pocket page scrapbooking, but it's great for your memory keeping in your planners, traveler's notebooks, traditional scrapbooking, and it also coordinates with your flavors of the month. It's a great add-on to that kit as well. As you can see, it's jam-packed full. There are cut-apart papers, there's stickers and embellishments of all kinds. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything in this month's Shots of Life kit. We'll start with all of the paper in the kit first. These are the cut-apart sheets. They all have full 12 by 12 backgrounds. So as I said, they're perfect for traditional scrapbooking as well. So you get double bang for your buck. So for Carta Bella Summer Market, you're getting this cut apart. So there's 3x4s and 4x6s. That's a gorgeous little window right there. The back is this beautiful floral print. This one is called Journaling Cards. From Fancy Pants, Cake Smash, another one that has 4x6 and 3x4s. So lots of places for journaling on these. And then a title card. The back is a blue and white bold stripe. From Photo Play Paper, Wild and Honey, this paper called Sweet Honeybee. And it has 3x4 and 4x6s as well. This is a gorgeous collection. I love the yellow and the blue-green here. Just very rich colors. The back is a two-toned blue-green geometric print. And that one is called Sweet Honeybee. From Simple Stories Summer Farmhouse Collection, we have the 3x4 cut-aparts. So you can see lots of summer icons. Again, some that are great for just title cards, fillers, or tucking in on traditional layouts. The back is this really fun watermelon print. From Carta Bella, Oh Happy Day, we have the 3x4 cut apart. The sweet little birds down here, little frames. These would be adorable, fussy cut out and used as embellishments. The back has those adorable little birds on there. From Fancy Pants, Vitamin C, another 4x6 and 3x4 cut aparts, perfect for your summer memories. The back has these pink little flowers on the light blue. From Pebbles, Sun and Fun, we have the 3x4 cut apart. And the back has all of these fun summer words in them. And then Simple Stories Going Places, so perfect for all of your vacations or staycations from the COVID-19. Go See Do, we have a little taxi, the airport, Bon Voyage, so I don't think anybody's really going on any cruises or airplanes right now, but you might have past trips, or you might be like me and had some trips that were canceled, so this is a fun way to document that. The back has all of the passport stamps. So one more look at the pattern paper, so you can see all of the full 12x12 patterns there. And then all of your cut aparts. Then on to the embellishments. For the summer market from Carta Bella paper, you're going to get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have this black and white border here that looks like the awning pieces and a floral strip, this banner that says summer, and then a banner of just prints. Love the little porch swing. And the rocking chair, so you could create a little scene of a front porch with those. It would be super cute to tell your stories. For the Fancy Pants Designs Cake Smash, you're going to get the puffy dots, so you get lots of fun summer colors. For the Simple Stories Summer Farmhouse, you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets. This is from the 4x6 sticker book, so these are going to vary, but I got some labels and an alphabet in the navy. From Pebbles Sun and Fun, you're going to get some washi tape, so these will vary as well, but I got a fun little floral border. And you can see that will work perfectly with even some of the other collections. From the Simple Stories Going Places, you're going to receive 2 of the sticker sheets from the 4x6. So these will vary as well, but I got some great words for subtitles or titles, and then word labels. You're going to get 2 yards of black and white twine. So that's always fun on your layouts. From the Cartabella Oh Happy Day, you're going to receive half a pack of the ephemera pieces, so these will vary as well, but you're going to get lots of larger pieces and smaller ones to do all of your little embellishment clusters. So here's just an idea of what's in those. I've got a few banners, phrases, and then you're also going to get 2 more of the Simple Stories sticker sheets. So these are from the alphabet books. So these will vary in colors. If you haven't checked out the alphabet books, they're awesome. So you're going to get a good sampling of those in this month's kit. So that's another great thing about getting the kit. You get samples of all kinds of new products coming out. So that's a look at the May-June Shots of Life kit. Don't forget, this coordinates with the flavors of the month, so you can add it on to have that kit go even further. Check out all the other kits available in the store as well as individual products. Come on over to the Facebook group and the blog, join in some challenges, check out what the design team's creating, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.